Ready to speed through the sounds of heart murmurs? Strap in for a cardiac quickfire round. First up, mitral regurgitation. Remember, this one's a classic. You'll hear a whooshing sound immediately following the S1 heart sound. Think of it as a rush of blood leaking backward through the mitral valve each time the left ventricle contracts. Next, aortic regurgitation. Here, focus on a blowing diastolic murmur that occurs right after the S2. This one happens when the aortic valve fails to close properly and blood flows back into the left ventricle. Moving on to mitral stenosis. It's all about timing. Listen for a rumbling diastolic murmur with an opening snap after S2. It's the sound of struggle as blood forces its way through a narrowed mitral valve. Lastly, pulmonary stenosis. Here, you'll catch a crescendo-decrescendo ejection systolic murmur in the second left intercostal space. It's the sound of the pulmonary valve narrowing, challenging the right ventricle during systole. Remember, folks, location, timing, and quality of the sound. These are your clues. Whether it's a whoosh, a blow, a rumble, or a crescendo, each murmur tells a story. Keep these tips in your diagnostic toolkit and you'll be interpreting heart murmurs like a pro in no time.